CBS News 24/7 on the Money Watch right now. Investors anxiously awaiting the earnings report from chip maker Nvidia after the closing bell, since the company has really been a huge leader in AI. CBS Money Watch reporter Kelly O'Grady joins me now live. Kelly, Nvidia has really seen its share of challenges, some volatility lately. What are we expecting today, my friend?
It's a read. This is kind of all about, this is a problem of its own success. The last few earnings report, we've seen triple digit growth in profit. And so a lot of investors are thinking, okay, well, that's really not sustainable. And so what we're expecting tonight, we're going to hear about how their Blackwell chip is doing. And there's concerns that there might be soft demand. But Reed, I really go back to what Nvidia is. Their chips drive the growth that we are seeing in the AI industry that's exploding. So think about the chips. They're essentially, it powers all the usage of AI. Think about what Intel chips did for the internet industry. And so if you're Nvidia and you are making the building blocks of the AI industry and you don't have that many competitors, they're far ahead anyone else in the market.
Right.
There's going to be a lot of people buying your chips. And so we're going to kind of see, are people buying as much as they were? What does that mean for the AI industry? I can tell you their stock has slipped a little bit, but it is up close to 200% to date. How Nvidia performs today, Reed, I mean, this is going to really have an impact on the market. If it does well, you're going to see all of the tech stocks follow with it. If it falters a little bit, and by the way, faltering might just mean that it doesn't have triple digit growth,
right.
Then you could see the stock and many other stocks slip along with it. So definitely one to watch.
One to watch, and literally it could make history. And Nvidia is new. AI is relatively new as far as the length of tech things go. Let's talk about chips of a different sort. I buy them at a place called Target. You're talking about Target today and holiday shopping. I don't buy Nvidia at Target, but I do buy my Doritos there, Kelly.
I buy my Cheez-Its there, Reed, so
okay.
Maybe we'll see each other at some point. But look, the stock is down close to 20% today, and that's because they had a really big miss on their earnings report. The headline is people are not shopping at Target as much as they were. And if you think about it, you and I might buy our chips there, but it's really not a grocery hub. The stuff that you buy there is more of a nice to have, not a need to have. That's very different than what we saw from Walmart yesterday. And on the call constantly, you heard the CEO say, our customers, they're value driven, they're hunting for bargains, we're trying to discount our prices, but they're not necessarily coming to Target because that's the stuff that's called discretionary spending. It's nice to have, not a need to have. That's why you saw Walmart do so well yesterday, because they've tapped into that customer need, Reed.
Okay, customer need something to talk about. Okay, tomato, Jaguar or Jaguar, however you say it, you have something interesting about that luxury car company and a little bit of a campaign news there. The new ads don't really have any cars in them. What the heck is going on there?
Yeah, so this is all part of the Jaguar rebrand. I say Jaguar, but they're coming out with a new line of cars, and it's a surprise. So they can't put it in the campaign. Back up, they have struggled with sales. They've lost that ultra premium luxury market. They haven't been able to tap into the competitors like BMW and Mercedes in that premium market. And so they've gone with a rebrand. And if you watch the ad, it's a lot of colors, a lot of kind of high fashion couture that it seems like they were going for. But really, seems like it's more appealing to a Gen Z market. If you're trying to compete with the Rolls Royces of the world, which is where their new line of car is going to try and go, Gen Zs don't really have a ton of money. I know some of them do, but the social media reaction to this campaign, Reed, has just been so terrible. People are saying you've missed the mark. You're not showing me the car. I don't even know what Jaguar is from this. And so it feels like they were trying to go with vibes more than anything, Reed. And the customers don't seem to be buying the vibes yet. We'll see when the car comes out.
I'm sorry. I just can't. And I just won't. But they look good. Couture, just not a car. Kelly O'Grady, nice to talk Cheez-Its, Doritos, tomato, Nvidia, and all things money with you, my friend. Have a good day.